Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The Lord continued, I am the heart of all sacrifices. You will be able to perform many great sacrifices and also give great charities. In this way you will be able to enjoy the blessings of material happiness in this life, and at the time of your death you will be able to remember me. The most important factor in this verse is the Lord's instructions regarding how to remember the Supreme Personality of Godhead at the end of life. Ante Narayana Smriti. The result of whatever we do in executing spiritual activities is successful if we can remember Narayan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This program of constant remembrance can be disturbed by many things, but Dhruv Maharaj's life would be so pure, as assured by the Lord himself, that Dhruva would never forget him. Thus at the time of his death he would remember the Supreme Lord, and before his death he would enjoy this material world, not by sense gratification, but by performing great sacrifices. As stated in the Vedas, when one performs great sacrifices he must give charity not only to the Brahmins, but also to the Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. It is assured here that Dhruv Maharaj would be able to perform such activities. In this age of Kali, however, the great sacrifice is the performance of Sankirtan Yagya. Our Krishna consciousness movement is designed to teach people, and to learn ourselves, the exact instruction of the personality of Godhead. In this way we shall continuously perform the Sankirtan Yagya and continuously chant the Hare Krishna mantra. Then at the end of our lives we shall certainly be able to remember Krishna, and our program of life will be successful. In this age, distribution of prasad has replaced distribution of money. No one has sufficient money to distribute, but if we distribute Krishna prasad as far as possible, this is more valuable than the distribution of money.